everyone, so I'm going to go through today's lesson, which is finding one more and one less. We're going to use some of the resources that we have in school to help us do this. You might not have these at home, but you might have things, you might be able to draw your own number line, or you might have some pasta or socks or Lego that you could use instead to help you, or even just toys. So I'm going to show you how to use different things to find one more and one less. So let's start with a number line. The first thing we do on the number line is we find the number that we want to find one more or one less of. So I'm going to choose the number 12. So I'm going to circle the number 12. To find one more of a number, that means that we are going to be adding one. So one more, and it means that the number is going to get bigger. So I'm going to take one jump forwards to get bigger, and I'm going to land on the number 13. So one more than 12 is 13. One less than 12 means that I jump backwards. My number's going to get smaller because it's one less than. So I'm going to take one jump backwards on my number line. So one less. And that means I land on the number 11. So one less than 12 is 11. And one more than 12 is 13. You can have a go at drawing your own number line at home to help you work this out, and that would help. The next resource I want to show you is some multi-link. Now, I've made my multi-link look a little bit like base 10. So I've got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as a stick and 4 ones. So I want to find out what number this is to start with. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One more than 14 means I'm going to add one. So I'm adding one, and that leaves me with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So one more than 14 is 15. Let's go back to my 14 now, because I'm going to find out what one less than 14 is. So when I find one less, I'm going to take one away. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13. So one less than 14 is 13. I can do similar sort of things with bricks. You might have Lego bricks or things around your house to do this with. Just let my camera focus again. So I've got 6 bricks. 6 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I want to find out what one more than 6 is. So I'm going to add one, and that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going back to my 6, if I want to know what one less than 6 is, I'm just going to take one away, and that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One less than 6 is 5. Now, this looks a little bit like Numicon, so you might be able to use some Numicon if you can remember what it looks like. I've got a bead string here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I start with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more than 7 means that I will add 1 to the bead string. So then I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back to 7. So one more than 7 is 8. Now I have my 7 again, and I want to find what one less than 7 is, so I'm going to take 1 away. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one less than 7 is 6. That's how we can use a bead string. Now we've got loads of other resources here, so you might use toys. I've got some little counting camels here. You might have some toys at home, like cars, or I'm trying to think what else, Lego figures. You can also use these, which we met last week. These are arrow cards. So 1, 10 and 5 ones is the number 15. Now, if I want to find one less than this number, I leave my 10s as they are, and I take my 5, and one less than 5 is 4. So I add this on top of my 10 and I get the number 14. 1, 10, 4 ones, 14. So that's 1 less than 15 is 14. Now if I want to find one more than 15, take it away again, separate it. 1 more than 15. So I have 5 as my ones. I want one more, so I'm going to change it to a 6. Put it back together and I get 1, 10, 6 ones, 16. Well done. The last thing I'm going to show you is 100 square. Now, if I can fit it all in, I can't quite fit the whole thing in, but you can choose any number on here. So if you wanted a challenge, you could give something really big, but this number, 24. One more, you're going to jump forwards. One less, you're going to jump back. So you can use this to find any number, find one more and one less. Now you have a white rose sheet that you can go and fill in. And me and Miss Ware cannot wait to see how you get on. So please share your work with us. Good luck and enjoy. Goodbye.